A week after the introduction of Android 13, there are already methods of attacking it. Less than 10 days have passed since the release of the final version of the Android 13 operating system on Google Pixel smartphones. Meanwhile, ThreatFabric, an anti-cybercrime and threat analysis company, described a method to bypass the protection of the latest version of Android. Google has added a new security mechanism that prevents apps installed outside of the store from requesting access to accessibility services, and there is a confusing way to enable accessibility services in downloaded unpublished apps if the user needs it. These services are necessary for people with disabilities, such as vision problems. Accessibility services may allow you to track personal data, such as passwords. ThreatFabric describes some malicious programs, such as the Xenomorph banking application, which is able to view displayed objects and collect login credentials and more. Because of the importance of accessibility features, Google doesn't want to completely ban their use by mobile apps. Android 13 does not block services for apps from the Play Store or other stores. The exception depends on the session-based package installer API. Store owners check them for malicious apps, so Google considers them relatively safe. As a result, the session-based package installation API becomes a way to bypass the new accessibility services security measures. Developers from the Hadoken Group created a two-part attack. The first part uses an app that pretends to be a store. Next, the session-based package installation API is used to install a second application with malicious code. As a result, the second application can bypass the security system and request access to accessibility services. So far, these apps are at the initial stage of development and do not work reliably. However, such an early appearance does not bode well for Android 13 in the future, writes Android Pulse.